Hey everyone, this is Kenny here. So today I'm at Ara Damansara. We are going to try this out, this heritage Kopitiam. Okay, so it's right opposite Kantara Residence in Ara Damansara. Kantara Residence is right opposite me. Let me show you. So this is Kantara Residence. This condominium, this service apartment is right opposite lah. So if you are staying here, you come out straight away can go eat already. No problem. Anyways, let's go for lunch. Hallway Street. Wow, quite a number of people. See, maybe can get a table. So here's the prawn mee, and this is the whole kasai. I actually didn't expect to see a whole kasai here, because this is actually a Taiping specialty. So whole kasai, right? Name literally translates to Hokkien. In Hokkien, it's tiger bites lion. So how they make this drink is to have the coffee plus Milo. Okay, the local coffee plus Milo. So the first thing first about prawn noodles, it must always be the soup, right? The soup here is good. I think the flavors are there. You can actually taste the prawn. Of course, as with all prawn noodles, right, you need to have it hot lah. Okay. Actually, it's not much that you can. There's not much difference. Really, the one that make it different, right, is actually the soup. Okay. So make sure you have some soup with your noodles here like this. Next is the whole kasai. Nice. Lunchtime very full. Hello. Thanks for the table. Sure. Okay, I'm done with lunch. That was a very good bowl of prawn mee and also whole kasai. So if you're around the corner, Ara Damansara, do come to Heritage Kopitiam. As usual, I'll leave the address and details in the description box. Do check the description box. I'll see you in the next video.